What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will be talking about the whole crypto market situation because new CPI data was announced like 15 minutes ago. So in this video I will tell you exactly what I'm currently thinking about the market, if I am planning to do a short position or if I am planning to do a long position, and I will just tell you my current exact strategy. So if you are interested, definitely watch this video to the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type comments under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to follow my analysis, you can join to this group, because every day I am sharing here analysis on Bitcoin, analysis on altcoin that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested, the link to join is in the description or in the comments. I already said it in my Discord trading channel, but the US inflation remains at the 3.7%, which is higher than it was expected. The expectation level was 3.6%, so it's like slightly a negative news. But currently you can see that on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin still is like trying to break this small falling wedge, and if there will be a breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that there can be a good opportunity to enter a short-term long position, because this falling wedge is a bullish setup. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. As I said, the entry I would put here only after the support confirmation, because you can see that currently it's like more likely a fake out, because we broke this resistance and now the price is just going down. So if there won't be a support confirmation, then of course this setup is invalid. The stop loss I would put under this week low, which is on the level 26,540 approximately. But again, if this low is broken, then again this setup is invalid. And the last take profit target I would put to this bearish order block, which is between levels 28k140 and 27k970 approximately. So in this case there is risk reward ratio approximately 3.41, which is really good, but again I need to repeat, this is more likely a scalp setup and probably I wouldn't be taking this trade. Another important Bitcoin setups, especially on the higher time frames, I described in yesterday's video. So if you are interested, I highly recommend you to watch that video, because I think it's super important. But in this video, I also want to talk about Bitcoin dominance. You can see that Bitcoin dominance is, for the, let's say, past couple of weeks, pumping really hard. And right now we are between two important levels. The first one is this week high on the level 52.15%, and then above this previous resistance, and this resistance is between 50 to 28% and 50.15%. So right now we have here a neutral setup, but if there will be a breakout of this week high, then I think that there can be a good opportunity for a continued upside of this Bitcoin dominance, because historically we don't have here that much liquidity above that high. So if there will be a breakout, then I think that the liquidity can go test at least the level 52.87 to 57.27 level. So let's say this area, and this will be in the long run really good for Bitcoin. So I highly recommend you to watch this current formation. Another coin that we will take a look in this video is Ethereum. Currently, we are testing this really important support line. You can see that we broke the most important support area on the daily time frame, this support area between levels 1660 and 1620 approximately. And right now we are testing this support on the level 1550. And you can see that historically this was pretty good support. You can see it was the support here, also here, and historically also there and there. So right now, if there will be a resistance confirmation, which means that two candles will close under this support line, then I'm expecting that there will be a liquidity test of this big bullish order block, and this bullish order block is between levels 1,437 and 1,367. And from this area, I think that there is really good opportunity to enter a long position. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. Entry I would put above this bullish order block or above the bullish order block after there will be a liquidity grab. This is like really depends on you, but I'm always saying if there is like liquidity grab below important area, so liquidity grab below this previous low, and then there is like a back movement up and support confirmation, then I think that the trade is like, let's say, pretty safe. There is like really high probability that your trade will be successful, but sometimes can happen that we will just like test this bullish order block and the price is just like go immediately back up. So that like really depends up to you, but the entry can be the same. The last take profit target, I would put it, let's say, somewhere to this previous high. So let's say under the level 2,140. And this can give you risk reward ratio approximately 8.6, which I think is really good. But definitely take some of the profits below this previous important support, also below this support area, and then take some of the profits before this support. Of course, these supports will be resistances if the price will go up. So let's say under the level 1,817. So in this case, it can give you risk reward ratio like 6 approximately, but this is still, I think, really good. And because there is like nothing interesting on the lower time frames, this will be all from me for today's video. And if you want to follow my exact analysis or if you want to follow my exact trades, you can join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But anyway, this will be all from me for today. Thank you again everybody for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one. See ya.